Okay, so we have a Cub Cadet walk behind or self-propelled mower here, and customer says it just doesn't have any power, so we're going to check it out, see what we got here. Prime it up 3 times. Seems to me once you lose the prime, you know, you get gas into the chamber, it's dying. So it's more like a fuel problem, I think. Okay, I'm thinking we have a pilot jet, or even a jet, an emulsion tube clogged. You know, you'd want to check an automatic choke if this had automatic choke, but it doesn't have automatic choke because you have a primer. So we'll go ahead and take the carburetor off and we'll get that cleaned up, see if that helps. I'm gonna start it again. There's oil on the air filter. Make sure that the oil isn't hurting it. No difference. Shut off the fuel flow for a minute. We'll check the gas when we get this off. This is the primer hose, primer bulb. And then with the throttle linkage, all you do is turn this back and lift up, and then remove the spring. The whole thing comes out just like that. Now we'll check the fuel, just to make sure it looks clear. Make sure there's good flow. The flow is kind of slow. Gas looks good though. I don't think the flow is so slow that it won't fill the bowl fast enough, but it does look a little slow. That filter in there might be clogged. It's a tank filter. We'll take the carburetor apart to clean it. Okay, so that was the float. I guess I should explain that. And we'll take out the emulsion tube. And in there you'll see the emulsion tube, little brass. So knock that down. There it is right there. And then we'll take out the pilot jet. So you unscrew this and pop out the pilot jet right here. get yourself some wire, or these are torch clip tip cleaners. You can buy these off Amazon. They're really cheap, like $2 or $3. Takes forever to get because they come from China, but and then we'll clean that. And then on the side is a bunch of holes. Now, I'm gonna try to put this in here. Now, these sometimes can come from the manufacturer undersized, and it will surge. So I might have to get the micro drill bit if we still have a problem after I clean it. Okay, so I got my micro drill bit. I'm not going to drill it right now. I'm just going to see what size we need to fit in there snug. Okay, so that is too big. We'll go down a size. Still too big. Get close. Okay, so that size goes in, the next size does not, so we'll use the white. If we need to adjust the size, the next size we'll use is the white. See, it's, well, we'll go ahead and go in there with it. Okay, I'm going to put this in the ultrasonic cleaner. Okay, so we got the carburetor cleaned with the ultrasonic cleaner. Now we'll start putting it back together. And get the needle into the hole here. When you put this back on, you want to make sure that this bolt is on the opposite side of the gas inlet. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put it back together. Okay, well, let's give it a start and see what happens. Okay, a pretty simple solution to that issue. So if you'll click this up next box, it'll take you to a video where I was working on something. So I hope this video helps you work on your equipment under the shade tree. Thanks for watching.